So my daughter, and some of you have already seen her or have been with her, played with her. My daughter is Sasha Francesca Marie, but we all call her Ashley. Pero sa mga talents, si Steven talaga nakasulapit, pero kapigahan niya mag-sako, nga ni Maro, mahilig mag-tiktok.
I see. Ram said.
I was a quality manager, K-Track, and I would handle the Manila office, the Laguna office, and the Laguna office.
The associate.
Nabuhay pa ka mo yan.
Oo, magpay-pay pa siguro siguro mga daywang domingo pa pakaayat pa ako. Oo, matapos.
Bati makabalik, kumag kita niya. Kininin mo ko, di ba ako pala prayer? Humigit ka.
Okay. That's funny, Ako nagdabi na Hi, good evening everyone.
Good evening.
Di ba nakabatiin sa mga?
Good evening!
Ako siguro katawag yung ako na tama self-designate ka ako na ako tama ko mag-create family because ako kamabuangan. Okay? So usually, either karon do kamabuangan or kamangurang or what. Do you know that most like
Ano magiging ako yung tugan?
Thank you, babe.
ikaw, we dislike them. We don't really know them. Kung ako naman gahor,
Jay.
opinion na ito. Kung ano ka natin diba?
Kung focus.
Actually, you don't know me. But it is a very long story. Hindi ko na kinyo mag-describe ka na being the eldest of the family, ay namatay ka rin yung grandfather, great tatlo ka mong kabayi. Ikaw na kabahala, manakaroon ganda. Namatay si lolo ninyo ay